Hello everyone, again welcome to my YouTube channel, myself Gold Standard Medico, and today we're gonna learn about scabies and pediculosis. So with the thumbnail you have seen what will happen if this mite attacks you. So there occurs scabies and pediculosis. So what is scabies? Scabies is a common parasitic infection that is caused by the mite Arthropod acarina, Sarcoptes scabi, and Var hominis. So in the thumbnail you have seen the mite. That mite causes scabies. Okay. Now incidence and prevalence. So 300 million cases yearly worldwide. So it is the most common. Around 300 million cases yearly worldwide. Incidence is common in all ages, sexes, ethnic and socioeconomic groups, and it is basically more common in urban as compared to the rural population. Throughout the year, it is more in winter. Overcrowding, poor socioeconomic conditions, institutions, immunocompromised individuals, and mental retardation are the causes for the scabies to occur. Then, talking about the mite, so it is an obligate parasite of the humans. Fertilized female mite, the size is 300 microns. Then egg, larva, nymph, and adults. It crawls 2.5 millimeter per day. Male dies after fertilization. Female lays up to 15 to 20 eggs per day. Maximum 300 eggs she can lay. Mature by 2 to 3 weeks. Those eggs mature by 2 to 3 weeks. Average parasite index is 10 to 12 in the classical scabies. Then transmission, how the disease is transmitted. So skin to skin, predominantly skin to skin it is being transmitted. Fomites, clothing, furnitures, and sexually transmitted. Incubation period in new cases is 1 month. Symptoms due to hypersensitivity to mite and products. And reinfection incubation period is 1 to 3 days. Then about the clinical features of scabies, what are the symptoms we will get? So we will get an itching which is worse at night. Night में बहुत ज़्यादा itching होगी with skin rash. Family members affected. In the various family members it is transmitted. Signs, characteristic distribution along the circle of Hebra. So there will be characteristic distribution along the circle of Herba, Herba, along the circle of Herba. Papules and vesicles we will see. And the scabies, the mite burrows. Grey brown line 5 millimeters seen on webs and genitalia with mite as black dot at the end. Burrow may be a dotted line, curve or curved line. Then secondary skin lesions में क्या क्या हो सकते हैं? Excoriations, eczematizations, nodules, pustules, urticaria. Okay, what are the clinical types of scabies? So the classical scabies, which is the characteristic distribution of the lesions along the circle of Hebra. Genital scabies, which is sexually transmitted. Scabies in clean, which is fewer, atypical and severe itching. Incognito, topical and systemic steroids. Infants, scalp, palms and soles. Nodular, which is sensitization. Scrotum, penis, elbows and axillary folds. Then crusted, that is Norwegian scabies, mentally retarded, paralysis, immunocompromised, leprosy, highly infectious and millions of mites. Elderly, ping pong scabies, animal scabies. What are the complications of the scabies? So there will be secondary infection, there will be eczematization, there will be glomerulonephritis, phimosis, paraphimosis, urticaria, erythroderma, immunologic sequelae, and drug reactions, for example, irritation and eczematization. What are the investigations you will do in a case of scabies? So scraping, basically from papule, burrow to demonstrate mite, egg, scabella, histopathology, IgE specific levels, and in newer polymerase chain reaction PCR, immunosorbent assays like ELISA. What are the differential diagnoses of scabies? So Pomfolix, prurigomitis, atopic dermatitis, lichen planus, ID eruptions, vasculitis, senile eczema, HIV pruritus, erythroderma, neurotoxic excoriations, dermatitis herpetiformis, bullous pemphigoid. And how do you treat the scabies? So treatment first principles, treat secondary complications first. What are the complications that are occurring in the body? Treat that secondary complications first. Treat all household members. As we know, the scabies is highly transmitted to the family members, so treat all household members. Treat all inmates and caretakers in institutions. Treat fomites by putting in hot water insecticides for 2 to 4 days. Scabicides to be applied thoroughly behind ears and from neck to toes. Repeat application depending upon scabicides used. Then, what are the topical treatment in scabies? So, drug is permethrin. The drug of choice for scabies is permethrin, 5%. Application is 8 to 14 hours. Pregnancy B. Remarks is expensive and ovicidal. Okay, and second drug is lindane, which is application is 8 hours and we have to repeat after 1 week. Then what are the remarks is seizures and benzoate 10 to 25%. Application is 3 consecutive nights. Pregnancy none. Remarks burning and dryness. Then Crotameton 10%. Application 2 application in 48-hour period. Remarks not very effective. Precipitated sulfur we can give also 3 to 6%, 3 consecutive nights. Moderate infants remarks. Alethrine या pyrethrin 0.6%. Application is aerosol and remarks not with asthma. Okay. Then systemic treatment में ivermectin we can give 200 micrograms per kg single dose, 56% cure, and we have to repeat 14 days later, 96% cure. Act by interrupting. How the ivermectin act? It act by interrupting glutamate and aminobutyric acid induced neurotransmission in parasite causing paralysis and death. It lacks ovicidal action, better with eczematized patients. Then, what are the supportive treatment we will give in a case of scabies? Antihistaminics, antibiotics, systemic local, emollients, soaps, steroids in which topical and systemic in eczematized scabies, keratolytics in crusted scabies, future trends like local ivermectin, tea, tree oil.